What is up, you guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to use this time off wisely and how you can make money now while you're not working. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. As of now, all of us are being told that the economy will open back up April 30th and we will all be able to go back to work. But let me ask you, what if that doesn't happen? Well, this could greatly affect some people, and you might be one of them. And not to mention, every single person should just know how to make money in general on their own without an employer. And so that's what I want to share with you guys today. I have not worked for an employer in the past 4 years. I have actually used every single one of these things that I'm going to talk to you about today to not only start making money on my own, but actually scale to multiple streams of income that I live off of today. Now, the first one is going to be pretty obvious, but you should learn how to invest. There is no better time to start learning about the stock market than right now. We have seen one of the fastest market crashes in history, and if you should be learning about the market, learning how to invest, maybe even learning how to trade, today is the best time to do that. Now, you don't have to be a day trader or a swing trader. If you know how to fundamentally analyze a company, you could put what money you have sitting on the sidelines to work and making you ridiculous returns. Now, shameless plug here, but if you want to learn how to do that, I will be linking our private stock market mentorship group down below. It is 100% free for the next 30 days. So this way, people who are laid off, like maybe yourself, can take it without any obligation monetarily and learn everything that I teach 100% for free. Now, the second way to make money while you're laid off is to learn a new skill or take a course. Now, this might not make you money instantly, but whatever skill that you learn within the next 21 days could make drastic changes in your life. Because think about it, no matter what, if you're laid off right now, you're going to be laid off for at least another 21 days. And within that time, you could learn a skill that would make you millions of dollars over your lifetime. Or maybe a skill that could save you money. Let's say that you eat out 70% of the time. And let's say that you spend $800 a month on just going out to different places for lunch at work, maybe going out to dinner on your way home, stopping at a Wawa or a gas station. And maybe all of this is just because you don't know how to cook. Well, instead of spending that $800 a month, maybe you took a free course or watched some YouTube videos and you learned how to make some essential meals that are not only healthier, but you'll actually save money on groceries. I know that I eat healthier than 99% of people. I only spend $50 a week on groceries. Maybe you work in a banking, real estate, law office, or really any corporate setting, and having your notary could be beneficial to you and the company. Take this time to become a notary. I think it's only like $50 and you take some courses. You have all the time in the world right now. Use that to your advantage. Let's say that even if you spent that $50, got your notary, and you started your own side business where you were a traveling notary, you could end up charging $10 per signature and start making extra income like that once all of this is over with. And that goes for any certification that you need to make more money in the industry you're in, or maybe you just want to change industries in general. Let's say that maybe you've always wanted to become a real estate agent, but you just haven't had the time with work, school, and your kids to actually take the time to get your certification. Well, guess what? No better time than now. If you were just to spend 2 or 3 hours a day for the next 21 days, I'm sure that you could pass your real estate agent test like that. Take this time, use it wisely, and feed your brain, because while that won't make you money right now, over your lifetime, the returns will be huge. The third way to actually start making money today is to build a personal brand online or start a side hustle. For me, since all of this has been happening and the world's been crazy, my business has been booming. I've had an insane amount of people joining my community and subscribing to my channel, which if you haven't already, hit the like button, comment down below, and become a subscriber. Without any distractions, this is the time for you to start building that YouTube channel, that Instagram, that Facebook group, or whatever it is. Personal brand, no matter what industry you are in, is one of the most important things in today's age. So take this time to start doing it. You could even do what I do and sell a skill. Now, most of you might say, well, Pete, I don't have a skill. I'm not a master in a certain area. And that's a lie. I know you are. Your skill might be video games, Yu-Gi-Oh cards. You might collect postage stamps. You might do something that you think nobody cares about, but I bet you that there's a niche out there that's waiting for somebody like you to go and dominate that space. And if you don't want to go that niche, take a step back. Are you a musician? Do Do you know how to speak another language? Are you somebody who can teach others how to make money through real estate investing or trading like I do? Spend the next 21 days. Put pen to paper. Start building courses. You can use a company like Teachable that is 100% free. By the time you go back to work in 21 days, you could have a set of courses, a personal brand set up that is automating and making you money while you are doing your normal job. For me personally, I had been planning on doing this for the longest time. I wanted to make a channel for almost 4 years. I wanted to sell courses. I wanted to create a private mentorship group, and I just never did it. And it wasn't because I didn't have the time. It was because I didn't have the discipline, and I just didn't put pen to paper. Because the truth is, you're never going to have the perfect course. You're never going to know what you're doing. You just learn it as you do it. And within my first month of really taking my courses seriously, I had about 25 private members. Now I have over 107 private members in the first 2 months and 2 weeks. All of that is not because I knew how to build a course before this. It's just because you learn through trial and error. So take the next 21 days and start building a brand and a business. I've been able to make an extra $2,500 on average per month. And I've only been doing this YouTube and private stock market mentorship program for about 3 months. I'm going to make a whole video on this in the future on how to build courses, how to sell your skills, but one of the easiest things that I've done is just build a free program or a free course that you can just give out to anybody. People love free, and during this time, they have a lot of time on their hands. So hand that course out to anybody who will take it. Have them take it. Have them find out what kind of teacher you are. Have them find out if this is something that they want to do. And with me, I have about a 72% return rate. So if 100 people join my mentorship group 100% for free, 72 of them stick around. Building your own personal brand, building courses and selling them, it really is that easy. I'll do a whole video on it in the future. And now, yes, I am selling a skill that took me 7 years to develop, but I'm sure you guys have some sort of skill like that. You're just afraid to maybe share it with people. And now the next way for you to make money while you're laid off is to do some freelancing. With internet content seeing a huge boom, there are plenty of people out there like myself who need them to proofread things. You can reach out to plenty of companies, plenty of influencers, and ask if they need anybody to proofread for them. Or maybe even write a blog. I know that when I had my old blog, The Dapper Ninja, it was a men's style blog, I would love to pay somebody else to ghostwrite something for me, or even just do a showcase, have them write a blog. I'll pay them $100 and I can put it on my site and help promote it. There are so many ways to make money out there. If you're a great editor, reach out to YouTubers and people who are building a brand on social media like we talked about before, and offer your services 100% for free. Once somebody like myself realizes, hey, I can just pay this person to do the same job or better than what I'm doing, I would easily pay somebody to edit my videos because it saves me time, saves me energy, and it allows me to shoot more videos and actually create more content, which then in turn makes me more money. This also goes with any skill that you can freelance through the internet, of course, because of everything going on. Guys, I'm telling you, you can sell any skill that you have. And the last one, which is probably the easiest one, is to be an online tutor. Plenty of kids are out of school right now, and parents know the worst thing that they can do is let their kids have an extended summer without any curriculum, because it's known that kids lose about half of everything they learned the year prior during the summer. Online tutors can make serious money, and you can do that all with your smartphone in your living room. The truth is, guys, the potential is endless. The only reason you won't start a side hustle, you won't start a personal brand, and you won't start making extra money during this time off is not a lack of time, because you have all of it in the world. I love you guys, but it's going to be a lack of discipline. If you can't do these, it's not because you don't have time, it's because you are not disciplined and you do not want it enough. And I'll be honest with you, I didn't believe that any of this actually worked. I thought that selling courses was all bull. I really thought that to sell a course, you have to be the ultimate master in whatever field you're in, or it was just some Facebook ads Ponzi scheme. And so I never actually tried and applied myself to doing it. And ever since actually applying myself to that, putting pen to paper, putting the best thing out that I could, I have seen such a dramatic increase in my income. And not only that, guys, like, I get to help people, and that's the best thing. So I urge you guys to use this time as wisely as you possibly can, to use this time to your advantage. You can look back at this whole situation that we're going through and say, wow, if this never happened, if I wasn't laid off, if all the terrible things that are going on right now, if that didn't happen, I might not be where I am today. And I want you guys to hit me up in 5-10 years from now and be like, Pete, thank you so much. Thank you for pushing me to the edge. Thank you for helping me take that next step in my life. So I'm going to thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button, comment, subscribe down below. I post usually 2 to 3 videos a week. I want to thank you guys so much for all of the support, for all the success that this channel has had in such a small amount of time. Until next time, guys, I will see you.